Hello guys, what I'm gonna share today is different tips and tricks for beginners that you can use in Mecha Break, okay? Now the first thing that I recommend you do is to complete the tutorial, the beginner tutorial, okay? That way it's gonna allow you to learn your movement, okay? Because each mech has unique dashes, boosts, and hover abilities. You have to go into your training mode and you have to complete the different tutorials, okay? So this is what I'm gonna recommend actually. Now, also, you have to manage your heat, okay? Because firing weapons and using certain abilities is going to generate a lot of heat. And when you overheat, your weapons will shut down, leaving you vulnerable, okay? So fire in controlled bursts, actually in semi-automatic mode. Now, also, you must use cover. Do not just fight in the open because then you're going to die very, very quickly. Now, also master the voice chat system. You have to use the voice system in order to win matches and to level up fast. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to communicate effectively in objective-based modes. Okay. Also, you need to use different, mech roles and understand them. All right. So yeah, these guys experiment a lot and complete the different tutorials that this game gives you to master each different mechs and the different mechanics. Alright guys, that's pretty much it and thank you so much.